Assalamu alaikum 3 class. We are on unit number 7, the Indus Valley Civilization, and we have read 3-4 pages. I have told you about that this civilization is almost 5,000 years ago was existed. So now I have told you about the early settlers, where is the Indus Valley situated. Now the part of Pakistan, Afghanistan and India, and it has been shaped by the river Indus, and about early settlers that was more than 7,000 years ago. Now turn your page. Question is, why did people settle in the Indus Valley? So I have told you about that. Indus Valley cities, that is 5,000 years ago. The two cities are there. The largest cities were Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. So students, you can see here that was a planned city. Indus Valley and Mohenjo-daro, that was all area is a planned. Clear? The cities did not grow little by little from the villages. People planned the streets and buildings. Clear? So students, even I have told you about the archaeologists. The archaeologists are the persons who search for buried buildings and objects that give clues about life in the past. So they study the pottery, bones, plants, seeds and other objects. So when they dug the Mohenjo-daro, so they found a toy cart made from clay. Shows that full-size carts might have been like. No full-size cars have been found. We know from this that the Indus Valley people had wheels and used animals to pull carts. Clear? Now related to this topic we will learn more. Page number 44. It's a fact. So archaeologists found bead workshop in the city of Dhulbaria. There were tools for bead making and beads made from bone, ivory, shell, metal and precious stones. So they found a shop over there when they dug the ground. So they found a shop of beads. So in this way we came to know that there were also, they know the use of jewelry and weights from Mohenjo-daro. This is the weight. Mohenjo-daro shows that the people measured and weighed the things they traded. Even they know the use of weight, क्योंकि वो जानते थे, वज़न करना जानते थे चीज़ों को. So it's a fact. The picture shows a cubit. You can see here. They measured length in feet 33.5 centimeter and cubits 52 centimeter. Clear? So it means that they also know about the use of measurement. Clear? So there is an activity for you. Think about it. Write the answer in your notebook. Why do you think no full-size cars were found in Harappa or Mohenjo-daro? आपके ख्याल में जो full size cars हैं वो क्यों नहीं उन्हें मिल पाए खुदाई के दौरान? So write yes, no or maybe. क्या लिख सकते हैं आप? Yes, no and maybe for each answer. So then choose the best one. Say why you think it is the best answer. So number 1, the people did not make full-size carts. Cars would have been made of wood. Would have rotted away by now. So there might be some cars that the archaeologists have not found. The cities face the danger of flooding. So here you can give your opinion that in the answer of yes, no or maybe. Clear? It is an activity, you do it at your home. So the next point is the people of ancient Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro के जो लोग थे वो किस तरह के थे? So no one knows who ruled the Indus Valley people. कोई नहीं जानता क्योंकि ये हज़ारों साल पहले की बात है. तो how we can know about that who ruled that Indus Valley people? So archaeologists have found statues of people but they do not know who they are. जो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट हैं उन्हें वहाँ से डिफरेंट टाइप के स्टैचूज़ मिले हैं बट दे डोंट नो हु दे आर. क्योंकि कोई भी 100% श्योरिटी से ये नहीं कह सकता कि ये रूलर था या किसी रूलर का स्टैचू है. जस्ट वी कैन गिव यर आवर सजेशन. सो इन दिस वे आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट, सो some might be kings or they could be the gods or goddesses the people worship. गॉड्स कहते हैं मेल जो खुदा होते हैं और गोडेसेस मीन फीमेल जो उन्होंने खुदा बनाए होते हैं. द पीपल वर्शिप, जिनकी वो इबादत करते हैं. सो देयर इज़ अ पॉइंट. द प्राइज्ड किंग स्टैचू फ्रॉम मोहेंजो-दारो, दैट इज़ दिस माइट बी अ किंग. कहते हैं माइट बी ये किंग हो सकता है. और इट माइट बी अ प्राइस्ट, कोई प्राइस्ट कोई पादरी वगैरह, अ रिलीजियस लीडर, और इट माइट बी समवन एल्स, माइट बी कोई और हो जिसका ये स्टैचू हो. सो द नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 45. The archaeologists dug up pictures on flat tiles in Mohenjo-daro. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को वहाँ से टाइल्स मिली हैं जो पत्थर की हैं और उनके ऊपर यूँ जो है राइटिंग हुई है, पिक्चर्स बनी हुई हैं. सो दे कॉल दीज सील्स, उन्हें सील्स कहते हैं. दिस इज़ अ सील बिकॉज द पिक्चर्स आर कट सो दैट दे कुड बी यूज फॉर स्टैम्पिंग अ सॉफ्ट मटीरियल लाइक वैक्स और क्ले. तो ये जो इस एज अ स्टैम्प के तौर पे ही जो है ये सील इस्तेमाल होती थी. सो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट फाउंड लार्ज buildings that might have been meeting places, might be वो meeting places थी. So but there is nothing to show what they were used for. लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है कि वो किस लिए इस्तेमाल करते थे उनको. They think some might have been granaries and for sorting grain such as wheat. Clear? So there is it is a fact. The ancient Indus Valley people had a type of writing with pictures and shapes. You can see this writing on the seals. You can see here. What pictures can you see? Nowadays, no one knows how to read it. We do not know what language they spoke. अभी तक किसी को ये पता नहीं चल सका कि जो लोग थे वो किस टाइप की लैंग्वेज ज़ुबान बोला करते थे और उनकी राइटिंग क्या है. इवन वी डिड अंडरस्टैंड, हम अभी तक नहीं समझ पाए कि ये राइटिंग क्या है. क्लियर? सो राइट द आंसर्स इन योर नोटबुक. डिस्क्राइब द मैन द प्राइस्ट किंग. दिस statue, you could start this like this. On his face is a short beard, his eyes dash, his lips dash, his hair dash. On his head he is wearing a dash. On his arm dash his clothes. So you can in this way you can fill in the blanks. Do you think he might have been a king? आपके ख्याल में क्या ये king होगा और a priest और कोई पादरी और what और क्या हो सकता है? Write your idea. I think the man in the statue was a dash because dash. Give your own opinion. So the remaining we will read in next lecture. Learn the relevant questions from your sources. Clear? Thank you.